Welcome to Excel Magic Trick number 249. Hey, if you want to download this workbook and follow along, click on my YouTube channel, then click on my college website link, and you can download the workbook Excel Magic Trick 246 to 251. Hey, in this trick right here, we want to see how to do a data extract from a properly set up Excel table, list, or database to a new workbook. Now we're going to use advanced filter, and we've seen how to do this before. We've seen advanced filter, and we've seen how to do advanced filter to a new sheet, and the whole trick was you got to start on the new sheet and then start advanced filter. So if we're going to go to a new workbook, we got to open up a new workbook first. Now what we want to do is extract all of Sue's records. And I'm just going to highlight, copy this right here because I'm going to paste this in a new book. You need the field name and the criteria for advanced filter. Control C, and then Control N opens up a new workbook, and I'm going to Control V for paste. All right, we have our criteria area. We're in a new workbook, so we can start advanced filter. In 2007 data ribbon, sort and filter group, advanced filter. In earlier versions, you go to the data menu, filter, advanced filter. Filter list in place. I'm going to say copy to another location, and I'm going to click on the list range here because we have to click. I'm going down to my taskbar, and I'm going to click on that other workbook to get to it, and then highlight the field names. Make sure I got it right, and then it's highlighted. So now I'm going to do my keyboard shortcut, Control Shift down arrow. And there you go. We got it from another workbook. Now I'm going to click on in the text box criteria range. It brings me back over here. I'll highlight that. Field name criteria. Copy to where? How about right here? Notice in this name right here, there's it has the workbook reference. All right, now I'm going to click OK. Just like that. We've extracted all that record, and just Sue and all of Sue's magnificent sales records to Whole Foods, etc. are right here. So that's how to extract using advanced filter to a new workbook. Be sure and just start in the new workbook. All right, see you next trick.